You know, when you say something's going to happen over and over again, it just might.
Well, you know how the story goes when you put up there. You knew it wasn't.
All right, so it's hot today and sticky, yucky.
I know. I think a lot of people, whenever you go for a little walk, they always stop me and they're like, "Oh my goodness, it's so muggy." I think for Southern California, it's definitely humid, and the humidity is going to stay with us, eventually leading to a few clouds to develop out over toward the mountains, breeding a few showers, but most of all, just going to stay muggy and warm. Today, this is the look out to the east over the beautiful mountains, beautiful blue sky, although we did try to see a few of those clouds try to develop. That'll yet again continue to be into your forecast. Right now, dealing with a fairly pleasant night. It is a warm one, too, to open up those windows. Now looking at about 70 degrees, checking out our dew point into the mid-60s, and that's what we need to get a little bit of that mugginess in place. It's going to stay that way pretty much until we get to around Thursday. And the reason really is this area of high pressure for today did not really bring any rainfall toward our area, but it is going to produce possibly about 107-inch, maybe 207-inch out over toward the mountain communities for us tomorrow, and then we'll see an even greater chance as we head on in through about Wednesday when we get our stickiest day coming on down. The high pressure system right now out over toward the Four Corners region. You can see most of that precipitation heading out over toward Arizona, where they're anticipating to get more like a few 107-inch, possibly up to a 1/4 inch of rainfall, and so they're going to get the bulk of the activity. We're just going to get the stickiness. Temperatures are going to fall slightly. We're talking maybe about 2 degrees along the coastline and possibly about 3 degrees for inland areas. Not returning to our seasonal averages until we get a little bit closer on into the weekend for us. Hour-by-hour humidity forecast. Noticing tomorrow morning, look at the shading in green because that's what's important here. Look how it covers all the way out over toward I-15, getting close out over toward Ramona. Everyone is pretty much dealing with the mugginess. By the time we get to 1 o'clock, it backs off, but still staying along the coastline. So if you're in Oceanside, Del Mar, Solana Beach, down toward Point Loma, you'll be complaining as well that it's fairly muggy on out there. Even though the temperatures are going to fall slightly, it's not going to feel much different because it is going to be so sticky. As we head on into around Wednesday, now notice yet again that humidity builds back on in. It does look like Wednesday most likely will be our muggiest day, and that's the best chance of precipitation out toward the mountain communities. Rain forecast tomorrow at 8 a.m. Possibly some clouds along the coastline, but clearing out quickly. Overall turning mostly sunny and beautiful by around 2 o'clock. This is when we could see about a 10% chance of rain for you out over toward Julian and even into Borrego. And then once we get through the evening, the clouds will try to move back in along the coastline, although very shallow, and then Wednesday is the day where we have the greatest chance of precipitation. 7-day forecast for you. 79 degrees on into Tuesday, 77 degrees on Wednesday. Notice falling finally to 74 on Friday. The winds pick up, humidity a little bit lighter. Inland 88 degrees. That's about 3 degrees cooler than where you were today. Still staying summer-like though for you on into Wednesday. Not as muggy though on Thursday. The mountains 86 degrees, a 10% chance of rain for the next 2 days. Stickiness factor decreases by Thursday. The desert's 107 degrees. You fall all the way down to 102 on Wednesday, although still staying with a 10% chance of rain. Looking to get some drier air into place on into your Thursday, and beautiful sunny skies though as you head on in throughout the weekend. Let's look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
All right, so better hair day on Thursday then.
Yes, that's the good. Yes, that's true. That's the day you can leave the hat at home.
Thank you, Sabrina.